Welcome, in front of me is NOKIA 5.3 and in this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition feature doesn't recognize your face properly. In such a situation you'll have to set up a new face unlock for your device, and to do this let's head into the settings, then go to the security section right here, and then select the face unlock. Remove all the previous face models from your device before setting up a new one. And this time, before setting up a face unlock, let's wipe the camera of our device with dry towel, just to make sure that we can clearly see our face in the camera, and also make sure that the lights in your room are set up properly for the same reason. And once you're ready, select setup face unlock and begin. And once you're done, confirm. And now let's also make sure that our device is up to date, so that all the features work properly, or at least as properly as they could. And to update our device, let's head into the system, then select system update and check if your device has any updates to install, and if it does, then take your time and install them. And right now, before we continue, let's also restart our phone, just to make sure that the process goes smoothly. Wait for our device to reboot for a while. And once our device is restarted, let's check out how the feature works now. So let's lock our phone, then unlock it and try to unlock it with the face. And as you can see, it went pretty smoothly this time. And I hope it did for you too. And if it did, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.